Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix taskbar missing or disappeared on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your desktop or laptop your taskbar is missing or disappeared, then I will show you few steps you can try and fix this issue. The first method is you have to just open the task manager. Just press Ctrl Alt Delete. Click on Task Manager. In this, you have to find Windows. Right click on that, then click on Restart. After that, check whether your issue has been fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then close this window. If you are using two screens on two monitors, then you can try this method. Just press Windows plus P key. In this you have to click on PC screen only. By selecting this, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. In this way you can fix missing taskbar or disappeared taskbar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.